Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this action camera by SJCAM. It's an action cam so you can film, what you're doing in terms of, hobbies, if you're vlogging. Something else that I find that's really interesting as well is this camera can also be a dash cam. So it's a 2-in-1. So when you're not traveling and you're not using it, you can use it as a dash cam. So the branding is super nice, everything, super shiny. Ooh. So there it is, encased, ready to be used and record fun moments. I love this packaging. That was a cool waha moment. Oh, nice. So it comes with a case already. So this case on the outside is a waterproof case. Super, super important, especially because I'll probably be using it, underwater and, on tropical vacations. So I love that it comes already encased in that. You have the accessories, double-sided tape, wiper for your camera, and a whole bunch of little knobs that you can screw on for it to hold different things. The cord to charge it. Oh, little stickers that you can use as well. And then here is the manual. One thing that it does not come with is a memory card. Camera itself is not waterproof. However, the case makes the camera waterproof. Just make sure that the case is completely closed before going underwater. You see right here, this seal, that ensures that no water goes inside. All right, so it says that this one over here in the front of the camera is the power mode. Go ahead and click for 3 to 5 seconds to turn it on. So yeah, basically I just pressed this and then held for a few seconds and then it turns on, yay! I love when devices come pre-charged so that you can actually use it immediately and check it out immediately. So as you can see the bars over there are 3 bars. So it's not just like a little bit charged, it's like almost fully charged, which is great. After it's powered on, this button turns into, you can change the settings with it. So if I'm gonna click on it once, it changes into photo mode. Click on it again, goes into the memory card mode, and then again, you can actually change the settings. So let's go ahead and select and turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so on the side over here, you can move that toggle up and down. So if we're gonna go down, we can check out the different things. Wow, so many different things. You can change the color, all the white balance, quality. Oh, there's dash cam mode. Okay, that's cool. Wow, so many things that it can do. Do have to press it quite hard though, just FYI. And all the way down to, you can delete, format, and then it goes all the way back up. Okay, cool. So we're over here on Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and select it by clicking the button up top. So that's the Wi-Fi over here. I see. So if you want to change that, you actually have to click on this top button. So that will go all the way. Let's go to OK and then click on the top to OK it. Okay, so the Wi-Fi will basically help you connect this camera to your phone so that it can sync. That's basically what this Wi-Fi is for, not so that you can connect outward, so people can connect inward. So there's a QR code here in order to help you scan and download the app to connect your devices. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and download the SJCAM Zone. All right, so here we go. So basically I just allowed it to access my photos and then we're gonna go ahead and start connecting it. So let's go ahead and click on connect. And then it says tips, check the wireless data, permission is turned on, blah, 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 confirm. Going back to this image right here, it showcases number 3, basically where the Wi-Fi button is. So you wanna go ahead and press the up button and hold, and then that's when your phone will start to pair. Over here you can see my setup, and that's basically my setup. You can see over here if I turn it around, that's me. Totally working. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on record. All right. Okay, and then we're going to stop recording. Okay, so it seems that you can't actually do anything with it unless you actually have a micro SD, like a memory card in it. I don't have it, it doesn't come with it, so you actually have to purchase it separately. So yeah, so I guess I can't show you anything because that's all it has on the screen. At least you see the capabilities of this camera and what it can potentially do. All right, so these basically show you, this is the exact setup you'll need in order to set everything up. So it does come with, you know, the car accessories, which is this one right here. However, what it doesn't come with is the actual, you know, car charger itself, as well as, you know, what the little suction cup in order to actually stick it to, you know, your windshield. There's several accessories to change this piece out in order to connect it to different devices however you want to use it. So there you have it, the SJ4K SJCAM. If you want to purchase this, go ahead and check out the link below. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this camera. Is this something you would use? Why or why not? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.